Paving the way for lunar roads, innovative project by the European Space Agency. Lunar dust is ultra-fine, abrasive, and cleansy, posing a challenging to astronauts and equipment on the moon's surface. The European Space Agency (ESA) has undertaken a PAVER project to create a roadworthy surface on the moon using a powerful laser. The PAVER project melt simulated moon dust into a glassy solid surface. The team creates a triangular hollow center shape that interlock to form a solid surface across a large area of lunar soil. The resulting metal trial is a glass-like and can stand downwards compression forces. It can also be repaired if it is break. A 100 square meter landing pad could be constructed in 115 days. This innovative approach will help astronauts to navigate and work on the lunar surface while mitigating the challenges posed by lunar dust. Thank you for watching for